Imagine walking into a manufacturing plant where every machine is humming in perfect harmony, every worker knows exactly what to do, and the products are rolling off the line with impeccable quality. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality that a manufacturing execution system, or MES, can create. Today, we're diving deep into the world of MES, exploring how it optimizes production and improves quality, and why it's become an essential tool for manufacturers across the globe. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a manufacturing execution system? Think of it as the backbone of a manufacturing operation. An MES is an information system that provides real-time visibility and control over production processes. It tracks everything, from machines and materials to labor performance and quality assurance. It's like having a command center that monitors the entire manufacturing process, ensuring everything is running smoothly and efficiently. Now, you might be wondering, why is this so important? Well, in today's fast-paced market, manufacturers need to be agile and responsive. MES helps reduce downtime, minimizes rework, and ultimately cuts costs. Imagine being able to identify a problem on the production line before it spirals out of control. With MES, that's possible. It enables manufacturers to make informed decisions quickly, keeping the production cycle on track and maintaining high-quality standards. The core functions of an MES can be broken down into 5 main categories: management, production planning and execution, quality control and reporting, maintenance, and supply chain management. Each of these functions plays a crucial role in optimizing production. First up is management. An MES orchestrates all the information related to manufacturing from a single point of control. It provides visibility into production planning, scheduling, and documentation control. This means that manufacturers can have a bird's-eye view of their operations, making it easier to manage resources and respond to changes in demand. Next, we have production planning and execution. MES allows manufacturers to create the best production plans based on customer demand forecasting. It reconciles customer orders with inventory levels, helping to avoid stockouts or overstock situations. With real-time tracking of work progress, manufacturers can quickly identify any deviations from the planned process and take corrective action. Quality control and reporting are where MES truly shines. It manages quality assurance processes throughout production, enabling on-the-fly decision-making. If an issue arises, operators can make necessary adjustments in real time, ensuring that quality standards are met. Plus, comprehensive reporting capabilities help manufacturers comply with industry regulations and customer requirements. Maintenance is another critical function of MES. By monitoring equipment performance and scheduling preventive maintenance based on predetermined thresholds, manufacturers can ensure maximum plant efficiency. This proactive approach helps to avoid unexpected breakdowns that can halt production and lead to costly downtime. Finally, there's supply chain management. An MES facilitates communication and coordination between suppliers, customers, and other stakeholders. This visibility into inventory levels allows manufacturers to anticipate supply chain disruptions and respond effectively, ensuring timely delivery of goods. Now, let's talk about integration. For an MES to work effectively, it must integrate seamlessly with existing enterprise systems like ERP, MRP, and SCM. This integration creates a comprehensive view of the production process, enabling manufacturers to streamline operations even further. The synergy between MES and ERP, for example, allows for efficient data flow, improving operations, and customer satisfaction. You might be surprised to learn that MES isn't just for large manufacturing plants. It's applicable across various industries, from automotive to pharmaceuticals, food and beverage to electronics. The benefits of MES are universal: improved accuracy, enhanced visibility, reduced waste, increased productivity, and compliance with industry standards. No matter the size or type of manufacturing operation, MES can help streamline processes and enhance overall performance. Now, you might be wondering which MES solutions are the best in the market. Let's take a quick look at some of the top contenders: Siemens Factory Insight, Rockwell Automation Arena, SAP ME, Oracle Agile Manufacturing, Honeywell Process Solutions, and many others offer robust features tailored to different manufacturing needs. Each of these systems brings unique strengths to the table, from comprehensive planning and execution tools to advanced analytics and reporting capabilities. So, how can manufacturers effectively use MES in their operations? First, it's essential to understand the components of an MES system, such as the process control database, plant modeling and execution framework, and scheduling and optimization engine. Integrating these components with other systems like ERP and CRM is crucial for maximizing the benefits of MES. Training is another critical aspect. Staff must be adequately trained to use the MES effectively, ensuring that they can leverage its full potential. This training should cover everything from basic concepts to advanced functionalities, enabling personnel to optimize production processes and improve product quality. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges associated with implementing an MES. The initial setup can be costly and time-consuming, and the technology can be complex. Additionally, errors in manufacturing processes can lead to product defects if not monitored correctly. It's essential to have robust cybersecurity measures in place, as MES systems can be vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks. Despite these challenges, the benefits of using an MES far outweigh the drawbacks. Improved visibility and control over production processes, enhanced quality assurance, increased efficiency, reduced waste, and improved traceability are just a few of the advantages. With MES, manufacturers can optimize their operations, respond quickly to market changes, and ultimately provide better service to their customers. As we look to the future, the role of MES in manufacturing will only grow. With advancements in technology, MES systems are becoming more sophisticated, offering enhanced capabilities for automation, analytics, and integration. The manufacturing landscape is evolving, and those who embrace MES will be at the forefront of this transformation. In conclusion, manufacturing execution systems are not just tools. They are the lifeblood of modern manufacturing operations. They provide the framework for optimizing production, improving quality, and staying competitive in an ever-changing market. Whether you're a small manufacturer or a large enterprise, investing in an MES can lead to significant benefits, and it's a step toward future-proofing your operations. So, if you haven't already, it's time to explore the world of MES and see how it can revolutionize your manufacturing processes.